A martini is a statement, nice and clean, full of flavor, more than what you just see in a glass. Is the whole romance of doing this job. Hi guys, my name is Francesco, I'm the General Manager of Eau De Vie, and today I'm making a lovely Gin Martini for you. So let's start with 2 ounces or 60 ml of the lovely Vermouth, one of my favorite gin, one of a kind, and then we're gonna mix with a little dash, let's say 5 ml of Dry Vermouth from France, Nolibra. Again, I'm Italian, but I like using French product. And that is basically it. One of the easiest but most complicated at the same time drinks in the world. That represents probably what we do the most iconic drinks. Made famous the shake version from Mr. James Bond, but we like it dry here, we like it not shake but stir, and I'm gonna serve this with olives because that's how I drink my martini. Alright, the history of martini is not very well known, it's not really clear where it borns or how it becomes what it is right now, but let's say that everybody thinks nowadays that it's actually the nephew or the great nephew of something called the Martinez, which was a very more sweeter drinks and sweeter style, but that is our classic martini made to my personal like. We're gonna put some olives on the side just for traditional words, and here we are, Gin Martini with olives for you.